1977 में पहली बार आप श्री रामचंद्र जी से मिले।
जी।
आपका जो पहला अनुभव था, आपको बहुत शांत स्वभाव, बहुत ग्राउंडेड, बहुत हम्बल लगे। लेकिन जब उनके साथ आपकी पहली मुलाकात हुई, वो मुलाकात कैसी थी?
Well, along with my friend, I ended up at his home. I stayed overnight at the ashram and then went in the morning. और स्नान करके वो तैयार थे अपनी रूम में बैठे हुए। वो भी चुप, उनके अगल बगल में जो 4-5 लोग थे वो भी चुप थे। 9 बजने वाले थे, बोला अभी ध्यान शुरू करेंगे, तो सब शांति से बैठ गए लोग और आंख बंद की, ध्यान शुरू हुआ। उन्होंने हमारी ओर देखा भी नहीं, बात भी नहीं की, कुछ इशारा भी नहीं हुआ,
ध्यान शुरू हो गया।
ध्यान शुरू, और दैट्स ऑल बताया, मीन्स ध्यान खत्म। इट वाज 20 मिनट्स और सो। जितना पहला बार मुझे अनुभव हुआ उतना अनुभव नहीं हुआ, लेकिन जो ट्रांसमिशन एक सिस्टम की जो स्पेशलिटी है, प्राणाहुति, इंस्टेड ऑफ फीलिंग इन द हार्ट, आई वाज फीलिंग इट all over my body. Every cell of my body was imbued with that pranahuti, with that transmission. Right? Usme there is no samadhi-like state, but you are. It's like every cell is vibrating with a very subtle sukshma energy, sukshma urja is dancing in you, and you are floating. Even while you are walking, you are floating. I felt that. दूसरा दिन आया सत्संग, हम गए तो किसी ने समाचार दिया कि आज बाबूजी सत्संग नहीं कराएंगे। तुम तुरंत उनको देखे बिना चले गए। तीसरे दिन आए, वो भी सत्संग किए बिना वापस। सो बातचीत कुछ नहीं हुई। जब आखिरी दिन आया, जब उनका घर छोड़ना था, अलविदा कहना था, तब पहुँचे उनके घर 9 बजे से रात को। हमारी ट्रेन सुबह 1 बजे की होती है वहाँ से, काशी विश्वनाथ एक्सप्रेस फ्रॉम शाहजहानपुर टू दिल्ली। 9 बजे हम दूर बैठे थे, बाबूजी साहब वहाँ और उनसे करीबन 20 फीट अवे, एंड ही वाज सराउंडेड बाय एल्डर्स, बुजुर्ग लोग बैठे थे। तो आई डिड नॉट फील के इनको डिस्टर्ब करे, तो दूर बैठे थे मैं, हमारा दोस्त और माई सेल्फ। तो पता नहीं उनको कैसे पता, देखो वो लड़के के पास प्रसाद है, लेके आओ। Then he sent someone to offer the prasad to his guru and brought it back. And then also conveyed a message through one person that tell that young man to take a lot of butter with the medicine he is taking. That's all. I was very surprised. Why is he telling me that I should? And how in the world, in the first place, he came to know that I am on some medication. You know, barbers itch. You know, when you go to barber, sometimes you come home with infection. And, ringworm. I used to suffer with ringworm. 1 or 2 patches were there in those days. And I was taking Griseofulvin antibiotic of those days. That was the only antifungal available.
And no one else knew.
No one. I mean, how to know that? And to tell you, they take it with a lot of butter. Now, when I graduated and then went to US, and I saw many prescriptions being dispensed for the same medicine, but they would put a warning sticker on each prescription bottle that is being dispensed to the patient. Take this medicine with butter or glass full of milk. And that's when I learned that only when you take it with butter or glass full of milk, that it gets absorbed into your bloodstream.
Besides, you were a pharmacy student.
I didn't know that, see. As a student, I didn't know. If you don't take it with butter or glass full of milk, hardly 20% will be absorbed in your bloodstream and 80% will be lost without its any efficacy. So he had a very penetrating ability to be sensitive, to perceive others' feelings, what they're going through. So he scans your past, present and future and adjusts his spiritual work. That was his mastery.
And that day, just after that meeting, you left.
I left.
You did not had any other conversation with him.
Nothing, zero conversation in the first meeting.
But how was the feeling when you were going back?
I cried like a child. And from station onward till Delhi, almost overnight journey, I was crying and crying and crying. I was somehow touched by his love, unspoken love.
So that day you found your master actually?
Actually, I had found the first day itself. But being a student studying, I couldn't leave Ahmedabad until the vacation came. That was the great beginning, I would say.